everybody, welcome to Our Life in the Philippines. This past weekend we went down to Morong to just enjoy the weekend, and our friend told us they are selling the resorts, and here is the first one, and we're going to give you a quick view of it. The buildings you see are not completed buildings, and here's a perspective from the blueprint, so you can get some kind of idea how the whole setup is set up there. The property has a I call it like a bungalow restaurant, outdoor restaurant, and we will give you a couple of scenic view over it. The restaurant is actually overlooking the pool there, as you can see, and everything obviously has a ocean front view. So it is in my opinion a pretty decent resort. It's not very big. The 4 buildings you see there will have a total of 8 rooms, and the second floor is not completed, so this resort is not finished, but it is for sale for a decent good price. And here is the restaurant again, and I will take you around the edges and perimeters a little bit. These photographs are taking, this is the frontage road coming into the resort, and this is standing on the beach and taking a picture. The area has a pool already made. Everything is set up, nice pool system, pumps, everything is in order, and the pool is a really beautiful pool. This image was also taken in August of last year, but everything is pretty cool because it's overlooking the ocean, as you can see from the overhead view here. The estimated cost, I think, to complete the buildings there is about 2 million pesos. I would say roughly about 40,000 US dollars. The asking price for this resort is 22 million, and it actually they're not willing to negotiate much on this one. But again, I will slap up the descriptions and other things in the description area below the video. So if you have any interest in buying a nice little resort located in Morong Bataan in Philippines, beautiful beaches, and fairly clean beaches actually. You know, I've been around to many other places, and this is by far, in Luzon, by far some of the cleaner ones I have seen, and we enjoy going there every weekend. So if you have any interest, please feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you guys. This was a short little presentation, and thank you for watching, and our second video will come up here very soon. Thank you again.